I look like I'm under those lights at the dentist. They always put these ugly sunglasses on me. They don't ever let me use my own hands to do it. They put it on me here. Ready? Welcome, happy campers. It's me, Amanda, here with Cookeville RV and Marine, and today we're taking an inside and outside look at this 2023 Grand Design Transcend 200MK. Now, we've done a few walkthroughs in the previous year model, so if you'd like to take a look at those videos, we will link them somewhere. But today, for the 2023, we're just going to kind of see what it's like and see why it is a preferred floor plan for many years now. Let's go. Starting on the outside, one of the perks is that you get such an amazing outdoor entertainment space in such a small camper. We have no slides on this side hindering our space. So we've got enough space for a giant rug, some nice chairs, a campfire, and you've got an awning that pulls out above as well. You do have a really lovely LED outdoor light that is super bright, even though it is a smaller light. And we've got all of our normal TV connections if you wanted to have a game day outside. But now onto the storage. Our pass-through storage is pretty standard. It is quite spacious and has 2 lights in it. Great place for outdoor shower attachments as well as our electric cord and some tools that we have to have. On that side is your convenience bay. You've got everything you need, including that solar gauge that is an upgrade for the 2020 model year, I believe. But let's take a look inside. If you're looking for a travel trailer and you want a Grand Design and it has to have a regular size bed, no Murphy bed options, well, this 200MK certainly does that. I've got a comfy bed as well as a pretty comfy backrest as well. Nice light that goes off and on. And 2 wardrobes on each side, 1 on each side. We have a small space for a CPAP machine or even a side table option, but you do get a lot of storage for your bed side of this camper, and we even have storage underneath that houses a table that we'll talk about later, and we have a privacy curtain that goes all the way across this space, so it really feels like a separated bedroom. But let's take a look at the living space. This particular model has a 3-seater theater seat option. We love that we can recline and relax and watch our TV, which is right in front of us. And it even has a secret cup holder and arm holder. Super comfortable, but you can always opt for a U-shaped dinette if you would opt for a table. But the table I was talking about earlier folds out. It's a card-style table, but it is rectangular, not square. And it puts right here in the middle for an extra space, or you can use it for outside. It's not attached to anything and you don't have to hook it up. It's just a small, really nice quality table. But also in this only slide of this floor plan, we've got a pretty big window. You do have windows on every side of this camper, including right next to that entryway, which, let's talk about that. I like when our entryway doors have that glass in them, but I like that it's a privacy glass as well. It brings in some natural lighting, and also you can see if someone's outside of your door. And in this particular floor model, we have windows on each side, so we can kind of peek out and see if the pizza delivery man is there, or maybe it's a murderer. You never know. But we also have our controls here right by our entryway for all of our slides, which is 1, an awning, and then our lights. You also have your tank indicators here, as well as our indoor-outdoor Furrion speaker system. That is really fun and also has Bluetooth and aux connections. But moving on to our TV space, we have a really nice TV here on a swivel. It swivels all the way out, so you can even watch movies while in bed or in those theater seats. Down below, we've got a nice sized window as well as countertop space that is open for your entryway or even your prepping space. And drawers below that are massive and enough compartment space for extra things for your guests. We also have our kitchen not far away. Check this out. All of this countertop space can be used. We can put a nice coffee pot back here, or you can do it right front and center. They even give you a good place to put some cleaning supplies and enough storage for anything else that you may need to carry. Up top here, we've got lots and lots of space for any plates, bowls, and cups. I actually like this. This is the most residential I've seen, and it is deep enough for those dinner-sized plates. Above my head, you can notice we've got more natural lighting spilling into this space right above where our sink is. So on those beautiful, lovely days, you don't have to have all of your lights on inside, and you can conserve some of that solar power. We also have our Furrion 3-burner top stove nearby, as well as a great place to store our pots and pans. Small little drawers here and there. You don't have to worry about a utensil drawer or a place to put your cutting boards because they are all here. And even more storage down tucked in this corner as well. A Furrion RV fridge. Let me get out of the way. Again, it is a smaller style camper, but it is enough space for lots of groceries and you can definitely prep them. But let's step through this sliding door into the bathroom. One thing I appreciate is just how thick this door is. It even comes with its own travel latch. It's not a tiny door, so you don't feel like you're right next to people when you're going to the bathroom. It's a pretty thick door, gives you a lot more privacy. Speaking of going to the bathroom, foot flush toilet to my left. Lots of storage at easy reach where we can do towels, extra toiletries and such. Medicine cabinet that is mirrored on the outside, of course, pretty standard, and a really nice size sink with a little bit of extra countertop space to put some of those styling tools. And the shower comes with another beautiful skylight, so if you're taking a shower in the middle of the day, which may be the best time to do it, you'll get lots of lighting. You don't have to turn the lights on. It also has a built-in door that squeegees the water, so you don't have to worry about getting that for your next camper. And again, a removable shower head, so we can use it to spray things off inside, maybe even wash a dog or two, whatever else you're using it for. But what do you think of this 200MK? Leave us a comment below. Let us know what you think. And if you have any questions about this or any other Grand Design camper, give us a call here at Cookeville RV Marine or visit us online at cookvillerv.com where your adventure awaits.